Veteran actor Ronald Goshop has died. He is best known for playing the role of Mackie in the hit TV serial Royal Palm Estate. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Veteran educator and actor Ronald Goshop has died. Goshop gained fame in the 90s for the character Mackie on the hit TV serial Royal Palm Estate. The actor was reportedly found unresponsive at his home on Wednesday morning. Goshop is remembered not only for his years of service to the theater industry, but also as an educator within the classroom for 25 years. Goshop was a graduate of Kingston College and the Jamaica School of Art. He was established in the theater before getting his break as Mackie on Royal Palm Estate, a popular soap opera that aired for several seasons on CVM TV during the early 90s. This influenced Lenny Little White to create a spin-off series called Trucks that saw Goshop play the role of a nightclub owner after winning the lottery. While not as successful as Royal Palm Estate, Trucks featured the biggest name in Jamaican theater industry, including Oliver Samuel as Mackie, Uncle Son, Leonie Forbes, Carl Bradshaw, Dean Silvera, Valerie Johnson, and Audrey Reed. Goshop also appeared in The Mighty Queen, the 1989 movie starring Denzel Washington and Shirley Ralph. He also taught drama at Excelsior High School for several years. Ronald Goshop's death was announced 4 days after the passing of Ruben Nunez, who worked as a videographer on the Royal Palm Estate. We here at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity to offer our sincere condolences to his family and friends. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.